Bowman, man the starboard forecastle cannon and prepare to fire a warning shot. So's any curious pirates hiding near the shore will know we are well armed. Those of you round the cannon best be stepping back, way back. For the cannon she be a mite loud, and the gunner's aim be a mite poor. Be ready to fire one. Fire one! That be good shooting, sailor. Reload and fire two. Now, that should put some fear in them. Looks like we're safe for now. But I ask all crew and passengers to keep a weather eye out. We don't want the Jolly Roger flying above this fine ship.
Looking around the hot door, Hawkeye for saving us from those dreadful pirates. Thank you, Hawkeye.
Cool.
What did he shoot?
See the shells?
Yeah. Grandpa, what did he shoot?
There, off the starboard side, is the cabin of Mike Fink, captain of the Dollywhumper and self-proclaimed king of the river. Judging from the coonskin cap hanging outside the door, I'd say